Good morning, children, to everyone. In English literature, today let us take chapter 3, The North Wind and the Sun. My dear children, we have already studied this particular chapter. I have explained to you, but today let us revise it. So, as we know that in this particular story, the north wind is boasting too much, and north wind tries to win over the sun, but at the end we see that it is a failure for the north wind, because the north wind couldn't remove the coat of that particular man in the story. On the other hand, we see the sun is quiet, but by nature we know the sun is very hot. It gives us light and heat. When the sun was shining too bright, the man felt very hot and he removed his coat. In this way, we know that the sun is the winner and the north wind is the loser. So, my dear children, this is chapter 3. The north wind and the sun. Page number 36. 36 and following. So let us read the text once again. The first paragraph. It was a very cold winter morning. Just when sun decided to travel across the sky, a freezing blast of wind roared and nearly blew him along with it. Soon, sun realized that it was none other than the grumpy north wind. My dear children, what happened in the first paragraph? In the first paragraph, the wind is blowing, and it is blowing so hard. In other words, we can call it was a freezing wind. And then the sun was blown, the sun was taken in other side. So this particular sun realized that it is the work of the north wind. And then the north wind was very grumpy or very angry. See, I have given you the meaning also. The grumpy meaning. See, grumpy meaning is angry. In other words, the the north wind was too much blowing. Okay, and therefore it was showing its own power. Okay, next time you see. Out of my way, the sun hollered north wind. Out of my way, sun hollered north wind. The sun is saying, you get out from my way. Please don't try to block me, because I am on my way. I want to do my work. So the sun says, you get out from here, don't try to disturb me. Hollered, see, the hollered meaning, again, the sun shouted at this particular north wind. Hollered. Shouting or shout. So here both are having to say somewhat competition. north wind is showing its own power. On the other hand, the sun is unable to accept this particular north wind. Next slide. Why do you have to be grumpy and cause trouble all the time? Said sun. See, north wind, you are too much. You are too much. That means you are showing me off. You are showing off. You are trying to disturb me. Therefore, I am also not able to do trouble. So, this particular sun says, why do you want to trouble me? Why do you give me problem and difficulties? Said sun. Next line. I am strong. I rule over winter. See what happens during the winter if the north wind blows. We will feel very cold. A chill weather will be there. Chill cold. So, says the north wind is saying, I am very strong, you are weak. I rule over winter. There is no one as powerful as me. See, it is boasting. Says, there is no one who is more powerful than me. I am the strongest one, in other words. So, you cannot stand before me. The north wind says to sun, I am strong, I rule over winter. There is no one as powerful as me. I can blow away ships, trees, and almost everything away. Boasted north wind. So, what are the things the north wind can destroy? See here, ships, then trees, and almost everything, whatever it can do. It can blow other things also, the leaves, tree leaves. Even sometimes the houses also can be broken due to the storm. So, north wind says, I can even take the ships in another direction. Even trees can be broken. I am as powerful. In other words, I am very powerful. I can break trees also. The leaves will fall, the trees will be broken, and then the houses also can be blown. In this way, my dear children, the north wind is boasting himself, boasting, it is very proud. Boast, proud, very pride. It's very proud. So, my dear children, again I will continue and I will explain to you. So, thank you very much to everyone.